guys ever came up an idea of, is there any free video recording software on laptop, screen recording I'm saying, for free with no limits, 60 fps, higher resolution? Is there? Yes, the answer is yes. This is possible from OBS Studio, and today we are going to be talking about it, and I'm going to be showing you how to download and install it. Let's go! So here we are on our computer screen, as you can all see. Okay, so the software we are going to be using is OBS Studio. Yes, we are going to be using OBS Studio, and now I'm going to be showing you that how to just download and install it. And in the people who have a laptop with or a PC with 2 graphic cards, then you will have a problem in it. Your screen will be black. So for fixing it, I'm going to be making a new video on it. If this video will get 10 likes at least, then I'm going to be making a new video on it. And let's get started at how to download it. So first of all, you have to go to your browser, as I have here. Okay, here you have to search OBS Studio. Okay, and this time the recording I am recording here is from OBS Studio. Like here you can see the recording that I'm recording is from OBS Studio here. Okay, so you have to just simply search OBS Studio download, and you have to go to obsproject.com, one website. Let's open it and scroll down. If you have a Mac, so you have to click here, and if you have a Linux, so you have to click here, but I have a Windows, so we are going to be downloading on Windows. You can download it on Mac or Linux also. Let's download it. Okay, and then your download will be started. Okay, so to install it, go to your this PC, and from here you will get it from on downloads or on the file you just saved it, and here you will get it. You just have to open the full installer, and then you can install it. Okay, let me show you, don't worry. Okay, then you will get an interface like this. Install it simply. Okay, but I have already OBS Studio running, that's why I can't install it. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you that how to just save videos in MP4, because most of the editing softwares just support MP4. Okay, here you have to go to file, then settings, and after going to settings, here you have to go to output, and here recording. So now I'm recording it from my mobile phone, and now I'm going to be showing you. So you have to go to the top right corner here and file and settings. Okay, then it will open this tab. You have to go to output, and from here you have to choose MP4. By the default you will have it on MKV, so you have to select it on MP4. Okay, I have selected. Then okay, you're just gonna select it from here, and then you have to go to video, select the frame rate to 60 and the size you want. I don't know, that's your choice, and I will suggest you to use 60 fps because that will be smooth like me. Okay, so that is okay, wait a minute. And from audio you can also just make all your audios more better. For today, hope you like this video. If you like this video, so you have to like this video, of course. That's necessary. You have to like this video. Don't go. Subscribe my channel. Share this video to